Hi folks, this is your old pal Uncle Al, and this is a short and special video for Bob the middle guy. Now Bob's wife doesn't want to wear a dump pouch. I can understand they're bulky and kind of clumsy. So I'm using this tie as a demonstration because Uncle Al's old and can't see too well. Alright, first thing you have to do is get wide band elastic, sewing elastic. Okay, and you fold it like this. I'm using the tie so you can see better. Now what you're doing is you're sewing a band like this. One end you sew into a safety pin, a small. I'm using the big size so you can see it. Okay, you sew that shut right there so it doesn't fall out. What you want to do is every space you sew in, so either side of where the 38 cartridge is, and it slips right there. And with the safety pin, you can pin it into your clothing, on dress, on your uniform. You pack away how many rounds you need. Most of what I recommend is 5 rounds. Now, when Uncle Al was working, you will have about maybe 2 or 3 of 5 round of these tucked away in his clothing. I'll have 10 in my blazer. I have 1 or 2 in my shorts because it pins inside the pocket so I can pull out what I need in ammo. See, simple as pie. Pull it out, lays flat, isn't as bulky, isn't that and stuff. If you have time, you could shove back in the empties and you can reload it later. Okay, this is a really short video that explains this. I had to use a tie and oversized pin to explain it. And you can pin it all over the place. You can pin it in your rain jacket. You can put it in your walking shorts, you know. And if you get packed down, they won't feel it because Uncle Alan knows dirty tricks. Now, a lot of people ask me, but Uncle Alan, I'm kind of stupid. Well, yeah, we know that, folks. So remember I told you I can make. All right, and all I have to do is clip it on my pocket and voila, I have a press pass. I didn't have the barcode, but I wouldn't use one of these because it's a little outdated, but in the past it works. I have one that says Reverend Sato. I have one that says Colonel or retiree or something else or security. You know, luggage tag, put it through, easy as pie. Here's the back side of it. Barcode and everything. Fake. Okay, Bob, I'll catch you later. You have a nice day now.